We're getting the S2000 running today. Not, it's been running, but we're getting the S2000 back on the road today. So we got new rims and tires, and then we're about to get all this back together and just tightening everything up, and then we drive. Check it out, baby. What you got? What? Got 4 RPF 1s on our 888s.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go.
What would it look like on the red car?
These are for the white car. S2000 is making a comeback, baby. Oh, that's tight.
That's a tight fit right there. That's tight. That looks so good though.
That's tight.
On the red. Well, the white car isn't as low as this car. So.
I know, but I like the height of that one.
The perfect fit, man.
I don't know, man. I think I like the white better.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna get these mounted real quick. Or, not mounted. We're gonna get these on the car real quick. So, yeah. Don't mind the little missing center cap, but that's the RPF 1s on the 2003 OG S2000. This is going to be part 3 of the rebuild series, I guess. Part 1 and 2, we put this motor in it. We did some testing and did all that, and then realized that we needed to get rid of the old dry rotted wheels, and we also needed to replace a wheel bearing back here, which resulted...
Hey, can you put the handbrake on?
Yeah.
Real quick.
Which resulted in us having to put this new upper A-arm on it because of the boot being pretty fucked up. It still needs to drop a lot, but wow. It's good to see this car back on some meat. It was on some salads earlier, but like now we got some real meat. We're just letting it warm up, that way we can check the oil with it a little bit warm. We're doing the same with the red car. And then I guess it's time for a drive. We're gonna go get them washed. We're gonna go wash them, I'm gonna go get them washed. But yeah. Don't mind the black and brown hood. It's only part 3. There still should be a part 4.
Hell yeah. This is dope. Finally back in working action for both of them.
Back in business. Yeah, now it's just cleanup time. And then it's time to rip. Ripping them a little bit. Trying to break in these R888s. Nothing wrong with that.
Fuck yeah.
Oh yeah.
Whose is this?
Look
this.